Welcome to 179 Daniels Crescent, a beautifully updated 3+2 bedroom brick home with 3 washrooms situated within the family-minded Westney Heights community of Central West Ajax. Lined with lush perennial plantings and evergreens, the interlocking walkway leads to an enclosed mudroom with a tiled floor, with tiles also surrounding its east-facing glass-paneled entry doors and the south-facing wall of windows, providing a sunshine-bright welcome into a home that features an open-concept layout with a warm and inviting aura throughout. Immediately upon entry are the living and dining rooms, graciously sized entertaining spaces that are beautifully suited for intimate or large-scale gatherings, whether formal or casual in nature. Showcasing gleaming wooden flooring and the elegance of crown moldings, 2 wall cutouts in the living room are surrounded with stacked stone borders, opening this room to the main hall and the kitchen. And, as a stately accent, decor columns grace the entryway between these 2 rooms, as well as between the dining room and the kitchen. A stunning workspace that is equally functional, the kitchen showcases a large center island with breakfast seating, granite counters, glass and stone mosaic tiled backsplashes, as well as cabinetry with exceptional storage, upper moldings, 2 glass-paneled upper cabinets with accent lighting, as well as under-cabinet lighting. Appliances include a dishwasher and a stainless steel side-by-side fridge freezer, microwave, and oven with smooth surface cooktop, with a stainless steel double undermount sink and pot lighting the finishing touches. The sliding door walkout has built-in blinds and opens onto a raised deck overlooking a fully fenced backyard that features garden beds along the fence line, a stone patio area, as well as storage under the deck. The kitchen has a light-colored tiled floor, which flows beyond its arched entry to the hallway through to the foyer. And the tiles also flow into a laundry room with washer, dryer, a folding counter, and cabinetry storage, as well as into a stunning powder room that showcases tiled walls and a furniture-style vanity with a stone counter, a gorgeous glass vessel basin, and contemporary lighting. Along the hardwood staircases to the mid and upper levels are hardwood railings with white spindles, and both of these levels showcase the same gleaming wooden flooring seen in the living and dining rooms. The mid-level family room, which is quite spectacular in its size and brightness, showcases crown moldings, pot lighting, large windows with south and west-facing exposures, as well as a stone hearth beneath a built-in fireplace that has a media niche above it. The upper level features 3 bedrooms and 2 beautifully updated washrooms, with the main 3-piece washroom having a linen closet right outside its door and showcasing a floor and walls finished with upgraded tiles, an oversized glass shower, as well as a vanity with stone counter, undermount basin, and contemporary lighting. The 3rd bedroom enjoys the brightness of a west-facing exposure and has a double closet, while the 2nd bedroom has an east-facing exposure for warm morning light, as well as a wall-to-wall closet with 4 sets of bifold doors. The The master bedroom also enjoys the warm morning light of an east-facing exposure. And this graciously sized personal space features 2 double closets along the short hall leading into its 4-piece ensuite washroom, which showcases upgraded floor and wall tiles, a vanity with stone counter and undermount basin, as well as a bath and shower area with a soaker tub. The stairs to the lower level are finished with hardwood treads and white risers, and at its mid-landing is access to the double-car garage. Fully developed, this level features lots of storage, including a cold room, and laminate flooring throughout a very spacious recreation area brightened with pot lighting, as well as in the 2 bedrooms, one which also has pot lighting, while both have large closets. A short walk to neighborhood parks and Lester B. Pearson Public School, within the catchment areas of Cataraqui Public, St. Patrick Catholic Elementary, Pickering High, and Notre Dame Catholic Secondary Schools for their French immersion programs, and minutes from the Westney Heights Shopping Plaza, the Harwood and Durham Center shopping malls, Millers Creek Community Park, as well as the McLean Community Center, the GO Station, Ajax's waterfront parks and trails, and access to Highway 401 are also just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.